Sails up. We're sailing. I think we, okay.
Okay.
Over here?
Yeah, it should. Hey peeps, we've been working. I didn't know I was going to be redoing all the teak wood. Mike informed me of that later. Yeah, that's what he replaced. Such a gorgeous day out here that we kind of wanted the boat to look pretty.
It's a little windy.
You know. Yeah, a little windy today, but we raised up the bumpers. So Mike did a good job and he replaced the rope on the one. And then I know you guys won't see a difference because I don't think we filmed the boat before I did it. But I wiped down all the teak wood on the boat with some mineral oil. We can tell a difference, but again,
so much better.
we're here. I did spill
teak oil.
some teak oil. Yeah, I teak oiled one of the windows. Didn't mean to.
Sorry. It'll wash
So,
off.
that's what I'm hoping. It'll soak into something.
Replace the line on
Yep.
that.
Yeah, we decided we need another big one, or we've seen people with these big balls. It looks like those old bouncy balls that you used to play on, you know? You hop.
Where are you filming?
You. I told you, you're in for a treat. I know. I'm bouncing with my wrong hand. Sorry.
You want to explain that again?
No, I'm not explaining it again. Okay. And I've had nothing to drink today. Just let y'all know this is me. But it is another gorgeous day in Charleston.
Yes,
But we've done a lot of stuff this morning.
Apparently I
So
need lots of bumpers on my boat
yeah, he does.
when I come into the dock.
Until we learn, I think that's a good idea. We decided we're going to put one at the end of the dock here, and then on the dock over there, we're going to put one at the end as well.
I don't think I can, but
We're going to ask. So, but we shall talk with you later. We'll let you know what else we're going to end up doing.
So, they say a man's job is never done. Hey, check out what Juanita's doing.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Juanita?
I'm finishing the teak wood. We missed two.
Okay.
What are you doing? You're eating lunch.
So she's doing that. In the meantime, I'm preparing lunch for the two of us. That's what I'm going with.
Smart
What do they
man.
say? A man's job is never done. Okay. Hello, my friends. So we are going to attempt to make like a screen door for our, what do they call it? I don't know, companionway? When you go down into the hull. We're going to kind of try and make a screen door, and like a screen instead of it being enclosed in to where air can flow through. So that's what we're attempting to do. So we've cut some wood, and we're going to put a screen on it and put it together. We'll see how it works.
Once we figure out how the pieces go back in.
Yeah, there we go. We're gonna do this. Okay, so this is what we made. Temporary. We'll see if it works first, and then if it does, we will make it more permanent. So anyway, just wanted to show you what we got.
Okay, Mike's gonna put it in first to see how he did. Yep. Yep, I'm supposed to get it the right height. So we made made this to put on the boat here, and then we're going to try to do one to do the top, so that way when it's nice we don't have to worry about bugs flying inside. I know it's a sailboat, you're going to have bugs, I understand. However, moment of truth. Oh, looky there. What you think, Mike? Yay? Is it down all the way over here? Oh, you got the lock and all. Oh, look at that. Hot diggity dang dogs. We did good. We made a screen door. Now all we gotta do is the topper.
Unreal.
Yay!
Okay, so this is what we did today. We made the screen door, and we got a screen for up there. Temporary. It's temporary. Don't have one for up there yet.
We're working on it.
And then we have a temporary one in here, so that way we can keep this open and have the fans going. And then,
believe it or not, it's warm here.
we're going to, we want to make another one of these for up here, so that way it would slide and it would be so much brighter in here also.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are going to have some tacos for dinner.
Taco, you say taco. Taco?
Taco.
Sorry.
Okay. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner.
Listen to that, it goes off. We
And
have water.
we do have water. Fixed. And then, what I think we're gonna try and sit outside.
Yep.
It's a beautiful day, and hopefully the bugs won't bite too bad. So, anyway,
Yep.
until
Ciao,
dinner.
ciao. Hello, peoples. We've had an awesome day today. The wind has finally died down. We did lots, so we're now eating our dinner. We've made tacos.
Boat food.
Boat food. Didn't do too bad in getting it all done.
Nope.
So,
Amazing. We're going to eat now.
yep.
Enjoy the sunset that's happening out there somewhere.
Yep.
And eat us some dinner.
Eat us some dinner, yes.
Hope you are all enjoying your dinner.
Yep.
Or whatever, or breakfast or lunch or anywhere in between.
Yep.
What a beautiful place at night.
It is. It's gorgeous at night.
Nice,
There's a
and
sliver of moon earlier.
it's probably up there somewhere.
It's just nice and peaceful.
It is. Very pretty.
Sooner or later, we're going to go on a night cruise.
What?
A night cruise.
A night cruise?
Yeah.
I got to figure out how to get out.
We know where the lights are at.
Get on and off the dock during the day. She's had a traumatic brain injury. It's okay.
A couple of them this weekend. I keep whacking my head on stuff. Hey.